All right. So today, if you've ever tried sorting data in Google Sheets, you've ended up with a completely jumbled mess. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So I'll show you the right way to sort your data. First, if you want to sort an entire sheet, so you want to sort everything by one column, you'll click any cell in your column. So say we want to sort by name in this example. I've clicked the cell and I'm going to go to data, sort sheet, and you can either sort A to Z or Z to A. So in this scenario, we'll sort A to Z, which is probably the most common. And now the entire sheet has been sorted by agents A to Z. Super simple. Now, if you only want to sort a section without touching everything else, so you don't want to change anything else in the sheet, you just want to sort one section and you don't want anything else to be affected. So we will highlight the columns of the specific range that we would like to sort. We will go to data, sort range, and because we have column H selected, we can either sort again A to Z or Z to A. So we're going to go, data sort range A to Z. And now only this column has changed, but keep in mind that no longer matches your agents. But you could find this useful if you're trying to sort just one thing on a specific sheet. Multi-level sorting is also an option. So if you want to sort by two different things, first you may want to do category and then you might want to sort by date. So we will go to data and we will go to sort range and you will select advanced range sorting options. And you can choose data has a header row so that you can see exactly what you're sorting by. So maybe we would like to see closed salespersons first, and then we'll sort that A to Z. And then secondly, we'd like to see all calls taken. And again, A to Z. So this is going to sort your closed sales percentage first, then it'll put it by all calls taken. So if we sort, now we have our multiple columns sorted. Super simple, sorting made easy. Hit like if this saved you a headache and comment if you'd like more quick Google Sheet tips. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks.